Y'all, I've tried a lot of glueless wigs, but this one right here might be one of the first ones where I actually felt comfortable wearing it freaking glueless, okay? Because sometimes, they be saying glueless, and I'm still going to show y'all that I'm going to use product. But this one, you ain't going to see me pick up no lace spray, no none of that. Because once I adjusted that strap and the one at the nape, she just sat there. When I say sat, she sat there. This is UNice's Byebye Slip 6x4 glueless C-part loose wave bob wig. She's 10 inches and the density is 220%. It is a C-part wig. That's, and we're wearing her glueless. And she was super duper soft straight out the box. The curls were already defined. And I really loved how full the bob looked without feeling heavy. So this is a few days later. We are going in with some cream foundation. I am going to go ahead and tint the lace. We're just going to pat that all over the area. Now, I wanted to show y'all guys what the hair looked like with me washing it. I washed it, conditioned it, and look at the curls. These are the curls just air dried. I didn't use no product on these curls, baby. None. This is just water and me using that brush just to brush through the hair. And this is how the curls came out. I scrunched. So I just brushed, scrunch, and let air dry. And look at these curls. So if you don't want to use no product, you don't have to. But anyway, since this is a 6x4 C-part unit, you still have flexibility. And I was shook with that part because I'm like, do y'all see? Look how far I'm parting over. And normally with C-parts, you just stuck with that, whatever part they give you. I'm so thankful for UNice doing this because I love customizing a part. I'm just going to go in with a little bit of heat protect in it. That's my wax stick. But we just do a little bit of hot combing, not too much because it's not needed. It's curly hair. So I just more so focusing on the roots and making sure everything is laid down. And y'all see how good that looks? That looks good, okay? You can leave it like this. But anyway, I'm just going to amp it up just a little bit and add some of that cream foundation. Same shade on the part, just to give it a little bit more definition. So I'm just taking out this clip and going to show you guys that this wig is still glueless. It's not going to be secured down. Put the comb under there. I can shake my head around. When I tell you UNice, they did not come to play with the construction, okay? That construction, I just love it. I don't know what they did, but it just makes it feel so much secure. Like, it ain't going nowhere. But I'm just going to go ahead and do my little swoopy swoop. This step is optional. You don't have to do that. But like I said, since we got the flexibility to do the parting, we can also add baby hairs if we want another plus. Okay, another plus. And I'm just using a little bit of that got to be glue gel. And right after you mold your baby hairs, you literally can lift up the wig and that baby hair will stay molded. So that's one thing I love too. I'm also going to clip out or clip back the hair and just pull out a little bit of my edge on the side. But yeah, I love a tuck behind the ear. I don't know. Sometimes you don't want all that hair in your face. I can just literally, especially with that baby hair right there, you can just easily tuck it behind your ear. And it just look like it belonged there, right? So now I'm just going to go ahead and brush out the hair. And like I said, this was the brush I used when I was washing my hair. And I scrunched it up like that. And then I let it air dry. So I'm just brushing out the curls now. And we're just going to go ahead and wet it. And the definition, like the way these waves are just from water alone is insane. Like, this is some pretty hair. And I'm ready for the summer, y'all. Y'all know I don't even like summer. Y'all know I don't. With this wig, baby, I am ready. So with loose wave, I feel like scrunching is going to be your best friend to get the most defined, because it is a loose wave texture, and if you don't scrunch, you're not going to see those pretty waves. So make sure that you are scrunching up. I am just going to use a little bit of my Nairobi foam. Is it Nairobi? Y'all, I'm half asleep. I don't know what I'm saying. But anyway, yeah, we're going to use some of that, and we also going to use mousse. Now, if you don't want like a defined look, just use Nairobi. If you want, you know, more of the look that I had, just go in with both. And this is what the hair looks like, just showing you guys different angles of it wet. I love this wet hair look. It's cute. Okay, this looks like I can wear this to the pool too. So now I'm just going in with my dryer to dry everything down. After styling everything, I really ended up liking how this bob came together. The loose wave texture gives it movement and body, and I think the 10-inch length is perfect for the summer because it's lightweight, it's easy to manage, and it's not too much hair. I think this unit would be great for somebody that's looking for a quick everyday style and doesn't want to spend a lot of time installing their hair. Once you get it adjusted to fit your head, it's really easy to put on and go. For summer, I definitely could see myself wearing this running errands, brunch, casual outings, date night, or even traveling because it's super simple, comfortable, and easy to style. Overall, what stood out to me the most was how secure it felt. Usually when brands say glueless, I'm still reaching for some type of product, but with this one, I was able to wear it completely glueless and still feel comfortable moving around throughout the day. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. All information in regards to hair will be linked down in the description section below. And until your next one, your girl will see you later. Bye guys.